Hi, Micah here. And I'm going to remind us. I'm gonna make up this song. Do you ever feel like someone's watching you and you just want to look behind? Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Stop recording. Hmm? Now we have time to chat, just me and you. Guess what? That's Wish me good luck, Charlie.